Such a pathetic planet. Invaded.
What if some entity wanted to control the planet? Maybe it's a malevolent extraterrestrial species. Maybe a super elite, ultra-rich human faction such as Bilderbergs. Or perhaps it's simply the paradigm of female worship and elevation, also known as the Vagina Dynasty. The Vaginasty. Whoever, whatever, how do we accomplish planet conquest? We assess strength and resistance capabilities of planetary inhabitants, which boils down to opposition and retaliation appraisal of the dominant species. This would be Homo sapiens. It is observable that these humans essentially break down into two categories, male and female. We do threat assessments of each type, their strengths, their weaknesses. Inevitably, it is concluded that the human male presents the more immediate threat and possible resistance quotient, for the simple fact that they are physically larger, stronger, more creative, and brilliant, thereby given more to physical resistance and intellectual opposition. The Earth's armies are comprised of males, and therein we will find immediate, staunch resistance. Males have built and wield the Earth's deadliest weaponry. With Earth's male armies and defenses swept aside, completion of objective is assured. Thus, in order to attain our goal of planetary assimilation, we must neutralize this inconvenient potential impediment. We must eliminate males. Given the proper resources and will, we could sweep in and eradicate these human creatures en masse. This is also a very time, energy, and resource-intensive recourse, and this would further compel us to break our cover and reveal our extraterrestrial spies among them, thus compromising any elements of subterfuge we have in place. Or we could instigate implosion from within the human race. We could allow the species to neutralize males for us. Let the humans annihilate themselves. Then we simply occupy their planet and its spoils without destroying everything in a head-on battle. We simply want the biological elements gone, not the resources, technology, or cities. This is the more favorable option. Phase 1. Diminish the human male's physical size and strength by weakening male bodies. This can be accomplished by decreasing anabolic hormone levels and increasing antagonist hormones. Decrease testosterone, increase estrogen. Protocol A. Introduce BPAs, hormone disruptors, environmental toxins, xenoestrogens, estrogen-dense, nutritionally deficient foods, and stress, as well as stigmatize and demonize any and all anabolic substances, any steroids. B. Divert males' waning physical energies into benign outlets, sports, video games, social media. By physically weakening and feminizing males, there will be less fight, more flight. Scared rabbits running as they are slaughtered. Phase 2. Cultural devaluation of human males to break their will and spirit. How do we do this? Protocol A. Misinformation, disinformation, propaganda, stigma, and stereotyping of males. Introduce and aggressively inflame negativity against males to effect the desired result. Males turning on males, females turning on males. Essentially, we will have humans turning on their own. Devalue male anatomy, devalue male aesthetics, devalue male worth and contributory value, demean male thoughts and feelings, demonize male desires and behaviors, belittle male intelligence and competency, negatively stigmatize all things male in their societies, their entertainment, their media, their cultural themes, and their educational systems. B. Elevate females in areas of societal value, causing their worship, their placation, and protection. Phase 3. Male emasculation and servitude. The protocol A. Wholesale manipulation and exploitation compel females to mock, belittle, and control males through manipulation and degradation, with males in a physically, mentally, and emotionally weakened state encourage males to willingly give control and relinquish personal dignity in order to please females. And B. Crush the male will and pride by usurping individual worth as nothing more than tools of service to females. The females will neutralize the male threat for us, and males will let themselves be disposed of by this female-worshipping paradigm. And the result? The most capable creature on Earth, males. They are physically weakened and their stature diminished. Along with their resistance, males become malleable, docile instruments of servitude to the female populace. Males turn on, attack, and brutalize other males. Once males are invested in seeking salvation through females, and females are occupied with twisting males to their whims in the midst of these preoccupations and distractions, conquest is realized. As they tear each other apart, we assume control of their planet. With potential resistance neutralized, invasion is affirmed. Phase 1. Male physical weakening. Status active. Phase 2. Male devaluation to break their spirit. Status active. Phase 3. Male distraction through servitude. Status active. Mission accomplished.
Game over.
Resistance is futile.